Now it's time to put our parts together to complete our CO2 dragster. So go to File, New, make sure you select Metric. We're doing the metric dragster this time. So this is going to be, we have made all the parts, but now we're going to do an assembly. So make sure we go to Assembly and choose the one that says Standard MMIAM. This time the screen looks a little different. You've got the word Place. Select Place. Go find your file. Okay, we're going to start with our dragster 1. Open. And it doesn't really matter where you click because it's always going to center it up in the screen. Okay, if you're done with that, you can click Escape. You can right click and select OK or Escape here. Or you can hit the Escape button on the keyboard. So now we need some wheels. So we're going to place some axles first. Now this time we need 2 axles, so I'm going to click it not just once but also twice. Click Place again. We need 2 big wheels for the back. Open. Again, we need 2 of those as well. I made them all the same color. All right, didn't mean to do that. We can change that. And we need 2 small wheels. I don't think I thought my colors through. Again, we can Escape to get out of it. So let's put our dragster together. Let's put the axles in. So up here we have Constrain. And one of these buttons, the 4th one, is Insert. We select Insert and click on the axle and then click on the hole. All right, so if we select Align, the thing is that we went in too far. Now this axle is 64 millimeters long and it's 42 in the middle. So we say 64 minus 42. That should leave us about, let's see, 22 left. So let's offset this. Let's just see what 11 gets us. We went the wrong way, so let's try negative 11. Let's see if that looks right. Let's spin it around. It looks pretty close. Click Apply. We're going to do the same thing with the other axle. We're going to put negative 11 also. Let's see if that brings it out. Click Apply. Okay, we have our axles in. Now let's mount the rear wheels. Again, we are going to use, if you for some reason hit OK or canceled, you can go back to Constrain, select the Insert tool, and let's make sure the air is facing the right way. Let's click here. Let's see if it needs to be offset a little bit. I think I like that in the way it is. Click Apply. And let's make sure this air goes the right way. There we go. Now let's go click on the other side, spin your cube. And this one will have to be, that's in there a little too far. Let's offset that one a little bit. Let's try negative 5. And negative 8 to get it there. Fine. And now we're going to do the front wheels. That air is facing that way. This one this way. And let's see, it does need to go on a little ways, so let's put 4. Negative 4 if it goes the wrong way. And let's try doing the other one. Click Apply. And let's also put negative 4. Click Apply. And now we have our dragster put together. I might go back and change some of the color of the wheels.